Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℎ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝔼 back again with another video. As you can see back there in the corner. How do I zoom in? How people be zooming in so easy? There you go. As you can see right there, we have the ingredients. As you've seen by the title of this video. This man moves slow. I don't got time. Anyway. As you see from the title, honey, it's another cooking with Eb. It's lit, period. So, I actually had this HelloFresh meal. It was the black and barramundi fish and mango salsa. Y'all. When I'm saying that barramundi, that was my first time ever cooking salmon. And it was my first time ever getting fish in the HelloFresh meal. When I tell y'all, baby, it was banging. So in the HelloFresh meal, they gave me of course the rice. What's the ingredients? They show you the ingredients, right? Is it right here? Yeah, I can't see, so I'm gonna try to see. Okay, so they gave me the scallions, the mango, the lime. They gave me some type of southwestern spice, and then the rice, the green beans, and the barramundi fish. So I'm kind of tweaking mine because I went to the store yesterday. I didn't vlog that, or I mean I didn't record that, but it's either here nor there. I did have a couple of items to get. I already had the fish, so I'm not using barramundi. I haven't looked to see like if they have that in my grocery stores, but I do have salmon, so it was giving me salmon, so I said salmon will do for today. So I did I already had mango because I love to eat mango. Mango is so freaking good. So I had like 2 of them that I needed to eat because I feel like I had them for too long and I need to get them out the house. So I used one and then I ate the rest of it. And then so the only thing that I'm tweaking on my meal is that I won't be having green beans and I won't use the same seasoning that they use. But I believe, do I have that listed somewhere? Dang. I don't think I took a picture of that seasoning when I had it to know what was in it. But I'm probably just gonna use like southwestern spice. What could it be? Let me use, honey, y'all will see what I use. I don't even know what I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna use something. Last night I went to the store and I got I had to get scallions, I had to get lime, I had to get scallions, lime, the rice, and some other things because I got something else that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna make that hey honey salmon again. Of course I'm not gonna film that because I already filmed the first HelloFresh meal. I'm gonna recreate that though, but I had to get the Dijon, actually I had to get the Dijon dressing, and I usually don't like eat this, so yeah, I usually don't eat this. So use for that. I wish I had like a little packet that they gave me. Wish I could have found that somewhere, just like a little packet, just, you know, a little bit. That's all I need is a little bit. Actually, I think I'm gonna make that again. Anyway, I'm getting off focus, so bless me. I know you said it too, so thank you. I'll go ahead and insert a clip now because I already made my mango salsa last night because I wanted to let it like marinate or whatever. So I'm gonna show y'all that real quick and then we're gonna get into it, okay? All right, y'all, so I went ahead and chopped up the scallions, green onions, whatever you wanna call them, scallions, green onions. Put them in the bowl. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my mango, slice it around that seed, and go ahead and just scoop all the mango contents out. And yep, go ahead and slice them, dice them, real smooth, real clean. Got it like that. Pure, period. Then going to go ahead and just dice them all up to get it kind of, I wanted it kind of chunky. I didn't want it like too fine, so just go ahead and keep it in the chunks like that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications to never miss a video. Gonna go ahead and put them in the bowl. Squeeze the lime juice over it. I'm gonna save 2 pieces of the lime to eat with my meal. and then squeeze it and shake that bad boy up. And you can season it with some salt and pepper if you like, maybe even some chili powder. It is whatever you like, but salt and pepper definitely, because it helps to add some seasoning. All right, so now we got to get busy with washing the hands, because that's one period we don't wash. I mean, we don't cook without clean hands. You feel me? You feel me? All right, so now we're going to crank up the eyes. Let's see what we given. We're going to have one pot for the rice and then the other one for the broccoli. Go ahead and put some oil in the small pan for the rice and let that heat up a little bit. Gonna go ahead and throw in my broccoli. And I believe after the fact, I shook some, I don't know if I showed it or not. Did I show it? We're gonna wait and see, because I forgot if I showed it or not. Do y'all want these, oh, I added some butter. Do you want these videos to be like me talking real time, or do you like the voiceover better? All right, so I'm gonna cut up some more green onion. This is, well, scallions, honey. I like the word scallions better. Maybe it feels zesty. So I'm going to put those in there with the oil to make my scallion rice. You just see the little things just like getting smaller. They're just like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I'm going to cut open my bag with my jasmine rice. So it's just me eating. So I did a half a cup. So the directions said for a cup, you do for a cup of rice, you do 2 cups of water. So I did a half a cup of rice and a cup of water. What I say? A cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Yeah, so I did a half a cup of rice and a cup of water. I'm just going to go ahead and stir around the scallions to make sure they're, you know, kind of not seasoned, but like they started cooking or whatever. And then I'm going to kind of toss them together and then add my water in. And I went ahead and added my salt, pepper, and butter as well, so they could just go ahead and cook it on up together. Y'all, cooking is so therapeutic. Like, I need to find some new recipes though. I've been eating a lot of chicken and fish, which I don't mind it. I'm cool with it. I don't think I showed y'all. No, I haven't showed y'all. Did I show y'all any chicken recipes? No. What I had the first time? Dang, big dog. What I had the first time? Was it the steakhouse pork chops? Yeah, I don't forget what I had the first time. I gotta go back and look. I don't forget. So yeah, added my salt and added my pepper and went ahead and let that do a little boil and called it. Well, I'm gonna take that lid back off. We're gonna stir it together. Kind of like, you know, let the seasonings, you know, spread out a little bit. I gotta go ahead and get into the salmon, honey. Y'all, that pack of salmon at Walmart, it was busting, okay? Like, you be feeling like that piece is not enough, but one piece is really all you need, okay? I had like, I think it came with like 5 pieces of salmon. One was kind of like a big fillet. Well, it was wider than the other ones, but it was, yeah, that, and it was only like $7. That was not bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off and then pat it dry. Add my Salsa Goya, honey. If you don't know about Salsa, you not really in the kitchen cooking. You feel me? You feel me? If you don't feel me, then you don't know what I'm talking about, and that's why I'm here to teach you the ways. So I'm gonna put a little Salsa on there. And that packet, sometimes, you know, I'm a little slap your mama. The packet, you don't have to use like the whole, it depends on what you're cooking and how much of the meat or whatever it is that you're cooking. I don't usually use a whole packet at once. For the most part, I usually don't use the whole pack at once. That's it. I need to find a slap your mama that's spicy, because baby, I need a little spice. So I'm gonna add some crushed red peppers to that salmon. Usually I like to let it marinate a little bit of time, but that's fine, because usually in a HelloFresh meal you're cooking it like you taking everything out at the same time and cooking it. I mean, but that's at your discretion if you want to like let it marinate. But yeah, marinated meat taste. I'm weak. Marinated, when you let your meats marinate, it tastes really good. But the salmon it doesn't matter. More so like chicken and like beef and stuff like that can sit and be marinated The rice is done. Gonna go ahead and turn that off. I think the broccoli was done too. Went ahead and turned those off because the salmon doesn't take that long to cook. I went ahead and put some some crushed red peppers in the pan. I don't know why. I thought I was doing something because I'm not going to eat the skin, so I don't even really know why I did that. So I'm going to go ahead and let that cook. As you can see, if you can see, for real, did it start shrinking up? I can't remember. I can't see. I can see, but I can't see. I don't think it shrunk up. Y'all didn't get to see it, but anyway. So now I let it cook for about 3 minutes on the skin side. 4 minutes on the skin side, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip it. I did add some butter in there to kind of get a little something going on. Okay, then we're going to flip it on the flesh side, let that cook for another 4 minutes, and then once I flip it, I'm going to use like the little butter mixture that's accumulated in the pan and go ahead and just douse my meat. It's a word for it. I can't think of it right now, but it's a word for it, for what I'm doing. I can't think, y'all. Child. The mind is a terrible thing to lose. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and plate my food. I did make too much rice. Waste man. I think I ended up using it like the next day for something. But that was a hearty meal. Like, that one piece of fish, it might not look like a lot, but once you like actually, I'm trying to do better about portion control, and yeah, I'm doing a lot better. Because you gotta eat your right portions, and then maybe later you have like a little piece of fruit or something. Yeah, I'm trying to lose some weight, period, because I don't got time to be going I'm trying to look different in 2021, because baby, I ain't here for it. I'm trying to be slim thick in the streets. You feel me? All right, y'all. It's time for the taste test. So, okay. The rice cool. Broccoli cool. I'm gonna taste the fish before I like get any of the stuff on it. Y'all, oh my god, it buzzed down. Oh, I was supposed to take a picture. Oh my god, nobody ain't gonna notice. Hurry up. Alright, y'all, so that's that on that. Thank you for coming to another episode of Cooking with Eb. I think the next one, oh my god, maybe I was a little hungry. Maybe you should puncture like the lime and the lemon before you do this. The next one I'm going to make, I think, are pork chops, which I actually went to the store and I had thought about it. I said, ooh, I want to make these pork chops again that I had. Sorry, out the frame. So I think I'm going to make, I think I'm going to do the brown sugar bourbon pork chops, or either the steakhouse pork chops. This is the one, it was actually in the I had this before, and then when I had the Hey Honey Salmon, I had bought it again and in that box, and that's the one that I cooked before. That's the one that Instagram chose for me to not cook, basically. So yeah, that was that for that. So I think I'm gonna do one or the other. Oh my god, y'all let me know in the description which one. Not in the description, y'all let me know in the comments, child. I can't talk. Which one I should cook. I think I'm gonna ask on Instagram too. So if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you answer the poll. And then if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. But if you don't have it, then it's cool. Just, I ain't tripping. Just make sure you comment down below which one I should cook next. I'm gonna go mess this food up. So I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's start on that. Bye, y'all, for my camera died again.